Come back to Helper Dad. Connecting a custom domain to your Framer site is a crucial step to establish a professional online presence, enhancing your branding, improving SEO, and creating a better user experience. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to prepare your domain by choosing a domain registrar such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Then access the DNS records through your registrar account, usually found in a DNS management section. It's important to understand DNS records. Records map your domain to an IP address, while name records create aliases for your domain. ext, connect your domain in Framer by opening your Framer project, navigating to Site Settings, or a similar option, and then finding the Domains, or Custom Domains, section. Enter your domain name, like yourdomain.com, and follow Framer's specific instructions, which will typically involve adding an A record and a name record to your domain registrar. Update the DNS records at your registrar. Add an A record with the type set to A, the host as @ or left blank depending on your registrar, and the value or points to as Framer's IP address, which they will provide, for example, 76.76.21.21. Set the TTL to default or as recommended by your registrar. Then, add a name record with the type as name, the host as www, and the value or points to as your Framer subdomain, for example, custom.framer.app, also provided by Framer, again setting the TTL to default or as recommended. Once you've saved these changes, return to Framer and go back to the Domains section. Click Verify or Check DNS, so Framer can check if the DNS records are correctly configured. Keep in mind that DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours, though it's usually much faster, and Framer will display the domain as connected once verified. Framer typically handles SSL or HTTPS automatically, providing SSL certificates for your custom domains. Double-check the SSL status by verifying that your site is accessible via HTTPS in your browser, and look for the padlock icon in the address bar. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your custom domain to Framer. Check your site to ensure everything works as expected. If you encounter any issues, consult Framer's documentation or their support resources. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad.